Good morning. Welcome back. I'm Kayla. Ben is behind the camera. And today we are in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. We are going to be doing some Christmas markets. We're going to be doing Mount Royal Park. And right now we're going to go get some breakfast. We're going to go to Lucky's Beignets.
We might even do the Underground City if we have time.
And we might do the Underground City too if we have time. So we finished breakfast at Lucky's. It was good. I had an avocado toast. Ben had a ham and cheese croissant. And now we are headed to the park, Mount Royal. And it's kind of tough to get there from here. It's not a direct really thing. So we're taking a bus. And then the other option was to take a train and then a bus or take an Uber. So it's a little bit tougher, but we'll get there. And we're just waiting for our bus now.
All right, so apparently something happened this morning that ended up blocking that bus's routes. So they shut down like the entire part that we need because we were trying to go to the park, and it ends right here at the metro. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to take a little bit of a long way around, but we're gonna get some experience on the metro today. So come join us for that. All right, so we're doing something a little weird today because our route was shut down. We are currently at Square Victoria, and we are going to be taking it all the way up to vidIQ, and then we're going to be taking that down back to Peel so that we can go. So yeah, we're really kind of close, to be honest, but apparently that's about, I don't know, 2 kilometers apart. So we can either walk or we can take the metro, and the gentleman that was doing the bus was recommending that we take the metro instead to go to Peel. And then we walk to the park. It's here. It's not on the map though. This might be a little bit better. You can kind of see the park here, but essentially we're going here up around to Peel and then to the park. So bang, 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 bang.
All right, so we are here at the top of Park Mount Royal, where we have walked up probably a few thousand steps to get up here. It is also very icy on those steps, so going down should be quite the adventure, but it's very beautiful up here. You get an amazing view of the city from probably the only vantage point that you're gonna get this view. So I would highly recommend it. I'm sure this park is absolutely outstanding in the summer, so if you come in the summer, definitely spend some time here. And now we are going to head over to the Christmas markets. They opened at 11. It's closing in on noon, so we're going to go over there for some lunch and then figure out what we're going to do for the rest of the day.
Also, just a quick note, if you are planning on coming up here, there is a cafe up here. There's also bathrooms at the top, but there is about 1 million steps on the way up. So if you're not prepared to walk up those steps, especially in winter, probably find something else to do.
Definitely got more snow up here than we got down below.
Oh, for sure. Ready?
Yep. So I got a hot chocolate, and I got it in one of the mugs. So they do have mugs like they have at the markets in Europe. However, this mug was $10, 10 CAD, so maybe 7 USD probably. That's fairly expensive. I think the ones in Europe were about £5 or €5, when the euro was almost equal to the dollar. So this is a little bit more expensive, but I just got a regular hot chocolate. And we're gonna go find some lunch. All right, so we didn't really spend that much time at the market. Honestly, the market is way too small for the amount of people that want to come to it. I would highly recommend to Montreal to make it a lot bigger because there are thousands of people here, and there are really it's not that big. They get the hot chocolate, which was delicious, but yeah, so we're gonna find some lunch outside. I'm a little sad that the market didn't turn out to be what I hoped it would, but it's a good comparison to the European markets. If you're in the Montreal area, yeah, still come. It's a good little experience. We made it to the World Trade Center, which is part of the underground city here in Montreal. So we're gonna first find some lunch because it is well past lunchtime at this point and we have not eaten. So that's our first task. This looks delicious. I got salmon battered fish, and Ben got the haddock in maple batter. So that sounds good.
Yeah, I can't resist the maple batter. We also got this dandelion and burdock soda, which I've never had, but the name Ben Shaw is what sold me. So good stuff.
All right, so we took a little break back at the apartment, and now we're back out and about. I was a little harsh on the markets earlier. I think I was just kind of sad in the moment by how we weren't really able to enjoy them. We went the previous night as well. It was much less busy and was much more enjoyable. So maybe try to go on a weeknight if you're here. I think Saturdays are just a really busy day with people and their kids and people being off work. So yeah, maybe try to go on the weekday. It is a smaller market, so with the population of Montreal all in one market, it's tough. Also, there are some other markets / villages opening up. They just aren't open yet for us to go to, so that also might take away some people once those open up as well. But now we're heading over to Place Jacques Cartier to walk around, and then hopefully we're gonna go to like a French bistro for dinner because we have not done that yet. And tomorrow we head home. So we're gonna enjoy the sunset because it's about sunset here, and hope you enjoy the views. We also are wearing our Christmas market merch from Kate and Andrew. We met them at the Christmas markets in Nuremberg, Germany, I think.
It's crazy. It's like a full circle thing, like for us. And when we saw that they released these, it was like, oh, how memorable. Like we have to pick some up. So
yeah.
I will try to find a link to their stuff, because hopefully we will post this video
next week. I mean, well, maybe the week after.
Yeah, it might be the week.
Christmas.
So it'll be before Christmas. But hopefully we'll try to post this, and we'll put a link in the chat. Yeah, what's up, chat?
In the description below.
Yeah.
I really like this sweatshirt. It's embroidered, actually, and that's really, really nice.
And I just got like a standard,
You got
like press one, like
Yeah. vinyl
vinyl press
adhesive.
on. Yeah, so
Adhesive vinyl. So yeah, they're really nice. You should get some for yourself this year or next year while they have them. But
scarf not included.
a scarf not included, and we're gonna continue on our way. All right, so we just had some dinner. I don't think we actually filmed any of it, but it was a nice little French bistro here in Old Town. I will put the name down below so that you can visit it if you're here as well. It was very, very good. And we met a fun new friend. He also has a travel YouTube channel, so go check him out. His tag is Travel Right with a W. We'll put his channel down below as well. And now we're gonna go over to the Old Port and see the Christmas tree. They did do the lighting at 6. We just missed it. It was like 10 minutes ago. We weren't done with dinner yet. But I think Travel Right covered it, so go check us out. But we're gonna head over there for some fun Christmas festivities, and then we'll see what we get up to after that.
Would you like to do it yourself?
Sure.
You know how to do it?
I think you put it and you roll it, right?
Just like that, yeah. And keep pushing on the snow to be sure it's very compact.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And this for you because it's gonna melt very fast.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Thank you.
Have it.
Wow. That's crazy.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was a very Canadian experience. Some maple taffy and some hot cider. I've seen this done before where people put like pans of snow and they put the maple syrup, and I was like, I have to try this if it's out here.
Oh, I have not seen this before, if you want me to tell you the truth.
Really?
Well, no, I've never seen this before. It's a very strong maple flavor. I think it's like almost a dark maple, but it's very, very good.
Sticking in my mouth.
Yeah, you can't talk for a good minute after you have like a bite because you gotta like get it out of your teeth. But
Yeah.
can I have the apple? We also got some hot apple cider since it's so cold out here. It's only like -1 or 2 degrees Celsius, so it's like 30 degrees Fahrenheit, and it feels very cold outside. It feels much colder than it actually is, which I don't know why. Maybe it's just the humidity in the air, but very cold.
My mouth is
She's still struggling.
All right, we've had our sweets, we've had our Christmas lights. This whole area, the Place Cartier, is really pretty. Lots of cafes, lots of restaurants. Highly recommend you come down here. Check it out. It is so cold. My hands are like frostbitten, so we need to go home, probably take a hot shower to warm up, and end the night. So we're just heading home now. So that's gonna be it for us tonight. We had a lot of fun in Montreal. We really want to come back, especially in the summer. And we really hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. We have much more coming up, so stay tuned. Bye.
Et nous vivions de l'air, du temps